Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here visiting my friend's house. It was kind enough to let me show you guys her decor. She's my best friend and I always get ideas from her to decorate my house, and entre las dos nos damos ideas, pero mostly ella. She's my ¿cómo te diré? She pumps me up. On everything las dos siempre salimos de acuerdo. Tenemos los mismos gustos. Here's Mia. But we just got here, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock. No va a querer salir en la camera just yet. She doesn't feel comfortable because I mean fue de sorpresa, kind of like I told her apenas hace unos minutos que si me dejaba like record her decor, and I was like, you know, would you let me, you know? So I'm in front of her door. So ahorita I'm gonna show you guys around her decor. I know I'm gonna ask more or less en dónde agarró sus cosas, así para que ustedes también les gusta un artículo or something, you know, like a decor. Mostly everything's from Z Gallery, from Ross, también Home Goods, but mostly it's Home Goods, okay? Porque esa siempre se va shopping todos los Saturdays. Well, I don't know about now because of quarantine, but yes. Basically today's video is gonna be about her decorations. She has beautiful decor. Yeah, like we both encourage each other, you know, like with, oh, you think this is cute, oh, I like that, oh, I like this, you know. But yeah, so let's get started. So that was it, guys. Hope you guys liked my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Comment if you guys have any questions in regarding the decor. Like I said, she buys everything at Ross, Home Goods, and Z Gallery, right?
Yeah. More Ross than Home Goods.
Yeah, that's her, guys. She's a shopper. Early bird, los sábados, tempranito, a la Home Goods y a la Ross.
You see, it was like, you're crazy. I was kind of panolo. Like, I'm like right in front of the line, like, no hay gente.
Ven, girls, if you guys love shopping, váyanse tempranito. Y encuentran lo más bonito, because I guess, you know, like, they probably take out stuff early morning, so, yeah, most of her stuff, she gets it, like I said, at Ross, Home Goods, and Z Gallery. So, there you go. Hey guys, this is the Lazy Chocoflan. So this is what we the ingredients. These are the ingredients. Whatever chocolate cake mix you want to get at the store. Any caramel topping. También tienen like the condensed milk and also in caramel. You can use that one too, but we are using this evaporated milk and of course la lechera. This is for the flan part, and well, actually this is the flan part and this is the cake. We're gonna show you step by step and a ver cómo nos sale, guys. It's the first time we're gonna try it. It's a Lazy Chocoflan. That's what I'm naming it, because for me this is the laziest. Si no quieres calentar la azúcar and all that, just use this. You know, el azúcar para hacer tu caramelo, you have to with the cazuelita, you know, pour the sugar in there, let it melt, you know, with the on slow fire, and let it que se haga melt hasta que se haga caramelo. Pero right now we're using this one. I mean, this is easy, so less work, so yeah. Again, Lazy Chocoflan. We'll see cómo nos sale. Okay, so we're gonna spray some butter in there para que no se nos pegue. Guys, that's my friend. No quiere. No quiere salir, pero at least her nails are coming out. That's the lechera. Right after that, we pour the evaporated milk and the 3/8. Okay guys, so ya tiene mi friend the Chocoflan in the oven. It says 45 minutes, so hopefully in 45 minutes this Chocoflan is ready. That's like the easiest Chocoflan ever. We do it the hard way, pero my friend showed me this, what is it, TikTok? Yeah, TikTok. Ya ve los TikTokers out there. De los TikTokers. But yeah, supposedly in 45 minutes this thing is gonna be ready. I'm gonna check the time.
You're super low.
Mientras está el Chocoflan, like always, hago mis zapateados. My friend doesn't want to join me, guys. Dice que estoy muy loca. I'm too much for her. Okay, guys, I think it was like 45. Okay, we're gonna flip it, guys. We're gonna flip it. Uno, dos, y voila! Ooh, look at that! Nice. I think I like the lazy one. It came out really good. Ooh, 45 minutes, guys. Some more caramel. Delish. Nice. Well done. ¿Cómo está, Fred?
El arroz no se te abrió bien.
¿Cómo está?
Super fácil.